15 workers in today, man. What's going on? Look at that, man. Gary's the guy, man. Gary is the guy, Luke. Anything, any problem, if you want a car chopped in half, and if you want it put back together, Gary is the guy. Just don't make Gary hungry, alright? Gary, you have to look after him, right? You can crack that one off now, mate, okay? So we found the problem on that one, Dylan, yeah? Oil pump. Oil, cooler, brand new one going in. Yeah? That's brand new, innit? The one lad just come in late, he's getting changed. Yeah? Yeah, no, I'll just get him to clean up. How we finding it, guys?
There's nothing when you put ignition on.
Oh, it's just there, isn't it? Oh, so when you put ignition on, nothing's there?
Nothing coming. So that means it's depend on main pump. Will be no enough fuel.
Right.
To get enough, spray.
Okay.
Go and disconnect this pressure sensor.
Yeah.
Should be RPM up,
Yeah.
There's nothing. So
let's go ahead and change the fuel filter for now.
Could be the injected clock as well.
It could be. So I'll take it for a long drive after the fuel filter has been changed.
Should be fuel.
No problem. Another thing, let David just change the fuel filter. So David's doing the fuel filter. Yeah, that's what I had. The fuel tank's empty as well. That's what you're saying, isn't it?
I checked the timing.
It's okay.
The camshaft.
It's
Everything
okay.
is point. You
Right,
just change
okay.
the timing button. So that means it's depend on the main pump.
Right, okay. Okay, I mean. Perfect, bro. Wednesday morning. Nice and busy. Full stuff in. Overloaded. Yeah. Backing on with the rear brake pads, yeah? How you finding it? Good stuff, mate. A little bit windy today, but we are all suited and booted for the snow. Yeah, Liam? Luke? Sorry, Dylan. I've got that many Liams and Lukes and Dylans here now. David investigating. We've got the office lad organizing the parts and prices for customers. It's cold. It's really cold. But obviously under couple lagaisi. So ठंडा बुझा था ठंडा couple लाइले ठंडा बुझा था ना जला समारो t-shirt फिंदी आटले गरम बुझा था ना बोला ठंडा दिनो ठंडा couple फिंदी आटले ठंडा बुझा था same. Okay. বাতাস আছে কিছু বেগুক লাগে নাই স্নো আর তারা হইছে দেখো ইবন ইনশাআল্লাহ Solly, what happened?